What if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? It's one of those questions that feels like science fiction until you realize just how terrifyingly real the consequences would be. Now, this scenario has been explored a few times before. A quick search will reveal detailed breakdowns of what might happen, from crushing winds to deadly tsunamis. But I think a few angles have been missed, so I've decided to toss in my own take. Let's just assume the Earth's rotation simply stops. No slowdown, just an instant full stop. What happens next? Free high-speed transportation. Let's start with the fun one. You know how everything on Earth is spinning at about 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator? If the Earth stopped, the atmosphere wouldn't, meaning everything not bolted down, including you, me, cars, cows, would fly eastward at jetliner speed. If you time it right, you could land in the next town over for free, or in the next ocean, probably the ocean, permanent day and night. Half the Earth would be stuck facing the sun, the other half in total darkness. Forget time zones, we'd have time continents. You'd either live in an eternal oven or a frozen wasteland. Tourism would get simpler though. Want to see the sunrise? Just move to the edge of the day-night border. It's always there. Increased property value in weird places. Places currently considered uninhabitable might become real estate gold. The Twilight Zone, where it's not too hot, not too cold, would be the prime location for humanity's survival. Goodbye, New York. Hello, Stable Zone Siberia. Improved global coordination with the disappearance of the 24-hour cycle. Timekeeping would get a complete overhaul. Every country on Earth would finally agree on a single schedule. No more arguing over daylight saving time, and we'd all have the same excuse. Sorry I missed the meeting, I live on the dark side now. Tsunami highways stopping the Earth's spin would cause the oceans to surge violently eastward, creating mega tsunamis across every coastline. But once things settle, we'd be left with large flat regions cleared of cities. A nightmare for urban planners, but an opportunity for fast road expansion, assuming anyone's still alive to drive on them. As the planet's rotation stops, winds would go berserk, reaching supersonic speeds in some areas. But after a while, they might settle into predictable jet streams. Great for launching gliders, terrible for hair days, less gravity at the equator. Currently, Earth's spin slightly counteracts gravity at the equator. Without it, gravity gets a tiny boost. Not enough to flatten you, but enough to make your morning jog feel like you're carrying an extra backpack. Good news, better calf muscles, magnetic field meltdown. Our magnetic field is powered by the motion of molten iron in the core, helped along by Earth's rotation. Without spin, the field could weaken or collapse, exposing us to cosmic radiation. But hey, that means more northern lights. Everywhere. In conclusion, if the Earth stopped spinning, we'd gain better sunsets, simpler clocks, and a great excuse to move. Any downsides? Just one. Earth would become nearly uninhabitable. Most of us wouldn't survive the first few hours, but apart from that, not bad.